This article discusses the life of pilot Robert Winter, who is 69 years old, along with his friend Timothy Scanavan, who is 71. Both Robert Winter and Timothy Scanavan are both Angel Flight volunteers. Robert Winter was a dairy farmer who retired, sold off portions of his land as well as his cattle in order for it to be preserved in New Jersey for open space, never to be developed by housing. Uh, on this particular day in June, uh, while working as a volunteer for the Angel Flight, they were on their way to Cape Cod in Massachusetts to pick up a patient to bring them for medical treatment. Now, Angel Flight, uh, what's so special about them? The that program um, solicits the assistance from volunteers who have their own aircraft. They use their own monies and own resources to help out these children and adults in need of medical treatment. Now, Robert Winter and Timothy Scanavan are both professional pilots. They all had their pilot's license for quite some time, and this was not the first time that they volunteered for Angel Flight. However, on this particular day in June, their aircraft went down just a few minutes after taking off out of Springfield County, New Jersey. Um, to everyone's devastation, this was a shock and something totally out of the norm. And they discussed it being a great loss for Angel Flight, um, as well as to the actual families of the pilots, as well as the families of those who um, were needing their assistance. I chose this article uh, because it's wonderful. They discuss how the pilots loved actually doing this, and for them to do this and actually um, pass away while doing it was probably one of their uh, greatest feats, and probably brought them great joy to be able to live out the rest of their life the way that they wanted to do, and by helping out others. Probably didn't want to, pass away that way in an aircraft crash, but doing what they wanted to do with the life that they had left as older adults, I think is something that should be noted. That they continued to work even though they were going through retirement, um, as volunteers for Angel Flight, still helping out, still making ways, um, and still helping out our society.